parts of the brain aren't working the way they should. Well, that's what leads you to feel bad about things. A lot of times people think of being depressed as being bummed out, if you'll forgive me an American term. And the difference between the two is significant because people will feel upset about things, but if something good happens, they can enjoy it. But they'll say, I'm depressed. And I forget being picked up by one of my cousin's wife who said, why don't you just tell them to motivate themselves and lift themselves out of it? And that's really the problem, right? We think of this bummed out, just motivate, push through. But the reality is that people can't. They don't cause it. They don't want to be that way. It's not something they did. It's not because they're too lazy to lift themselves out of it. It's because the part of the brain that motivates you, organizes you, and gets you to sort of initiate action is dysfunctional. It's underactive. It's this part called the frontal cortex, and it doesn't work for you. So it's not that you're not trying to do stuff. It's not that you don't want to do stuff. It's quite simply, you really can't initiate and sustain the energy to get stuff done. And that, combined with feeling sad, being unable to enjoy things, having problems with your sleep, having problems with your appetite, either eating too much or too little, that is really the syndrome of depression. And that pervades every aspect of the person's life. It doesn't just sort of happen when something bad happens or not feeling good because, something went wrong. It happens even when good things happen. The world has gone from vibrant colors to gray. You can't see the colors. You can't really feel joy.